Hello ladies and gentlemen, I, Tanishka Thakur of class 10th from DPS Sagar welcome you all here with our e-news presentation that captures the remarkable milestones and proud achievements of DPS Sagar during the academic session of 2024 to 25. The main headlines are: DPS Sagar creates historic world record with Vedic math feat. DPS Sagar student Adhyan Yadav shines as the captain of Under-17 National Cricket Tournament. DPS Sagar bags gold medals at All India Art and Performance Competition. DPS Sagar student bags first prize in National Essay Writing Competition. DPS Sagar students excel in SGFI, state and national championships. DPS Sagar students showcased remarkable sportsmanship in School Game Federation of India SDFI championships held during October and November with enthusiastic participation across diverse sports, athletics, cricket, yoga, basketball, volleyball, football, table tennis, karate and kho-kho. Our players proved their mettle at the state level. Presenting our outstanding achievers: karate, Suyash Rai Under-19 gold medal, Aradhya Jain Under-14 gold medal, Arman Uddin Under-14 silver medal, Raj Kurmi Under-14 bronze medal, Siddharth Patel Under-15 silver medal. They all have qualified for the international level. Yoga, Ansh Saini Under-14 gold medal, Disha Rajput Under-19 gold medal. Weightlifting, Shaurya Chaubey Under-19 gold medal, Jairaj Singh Thakur Under-19 gold medal. Kho-kho, Jagriti Sahu Under-14 gold medal, Soma Sati Under-17 gold medal. Table tennis, Virat Jain Under-14 gold medal. Football, Dushyant Jadia Under-14 gold medal, Arav Jain Under-14 gold medal, Vichai Rajput Under-14 gold medal. We are glad to announce that all of these proud achievers under different categories have advanced to the state level. Adding our pride, the cricket and basketball teams brought laurels to DPS Sagar by representing the school at the national level. Hearty congratulations to all our champions and their mentors for making DPS Sagar proud. DPS Sagar shines as the 68th state levels cricket tournament. We are thrilled to share the remarkable achievements of our students at the 68th state level cricket tournament held in Ashoknagar from 2nd to 7th December. The tournament was clinked by the Sagar division after an intense competition, marking a glorious victory after 8 years of waiting. Leading the team to victory was our very own Adhyan Yadav, student of DPS Sagar, who served as the captain of the winning team. His stellar all-rounder performance throughout the tournament earned him the prestigious title of Player of the Tournament. We are proud to announce that Adhyan Yadav has been selected for the National Under-17 team, who is also the captain, a testament to his exceptional skills and dedication. Adding to the celebration, another talented cricketer from our school, Ansh Mishra, has been selected to represent the state Under-19 team and the 68th state level Under-19 cricket tournament, which was conducted in DPS Sagar Cricket Ground. We extend our heartfelt congratulations to Team Sagar and especially to Mr. Adhyan Yadav and Mr. Ansh Mishra and their hard-working and dedicated coach, Mr. Raja Thakur sir, for their outstanding contributions. You have made DPS Sagar and the entire region proud. DPS Sagar dominates as champions in Sahodaya Sagar Cricket Tournament. DPS Sagar proudly emerged as the champions of the much-coveted Sahodaya Sagar Cricket Tournament held from 8th to 13th October. The tournament brought together cricket enthusiasts from 8 different schools across Sagar district, showcasing remarkable sportsmanship and energy. DPS Sagar's cricket team displayed consistent excellence by winning 3 knockout matches and securing a well-deserved place in the finals. With exceptional teamwork and fielding, as players lifted the prestigious trophy bringing glory to the school. The team's trump was met with thunderous applause, marking yet another milestone in the school's sporting achievements. DPS Sagar outperforms at Trunk 2024 with a flurry of medals. We are thrilled to share that our talented students and teachers have brought glory and recognition to Delhi Public School Sagar at the prestigious Rank 2024. The third All India Art Performance Competition presented by LIC and powered by Saraswat Bank. The competition was held in October 2024 and witnessed creative brilliance from across the nation on the theme, "Let's dive into the art of wildlife forest and nature of Bharat," captured the vibrant essence of India's rich natural heritage through colors, brush strokes and performance. Under the expert guidance and encouragement of our esteemed fine arts teacher, Mr. Hemant Tamekar, the following participants stood out with the exceptional talent. Our proud winners: Vanshika Jain, Group 6, Gold Medal; Adhyanatia, Group 5, Silver Medal; Arsha Pandey, Group 5, Bronze Medal; Miss Divya Nayak, Group 7, Silver Medal; Miss Nidhi Jain, Group 8, Bronze Medal. We applaud their creativity, dedication and passion that brought these well-deserved laurels to our school. Congratulations to all the winners and mentors. Your achievements uplift the name of DPS Sagar. DPS Sagar student bags first prize in National Essay Writing Competition. DPS Sagar student Aditi Sharma of class 11th stood first in the national level essay writing competition conducted by International Hindi Promotion and Progress Institution, Delhi. Congratulations to Aditi Sharma and our Hindi faculty, Shri Santosh Kumar Soni sir. DPS Sagar creates historic world record with Vedic math feat. In a display of speed and skill, DPS Sagar etched its name in history by setting a milestone world record, solving 100 Vedic maths questions in record time. 180 students cracked all 100 questions in just 8 minutes, while 22 teachers outpaced them by finishing in only 7 minutes. Representatives from the Universal Achievers Book of Records and Future Kalam Book of Records, Chennai, were present to officially declare DPS Sagar as the official world record achievers. With deep gratitude, we salute our Honorable Board of Directors, Mr. Rahul Saraf sir and Mrs. Darshani Jain ma'am, for their passion and visionary leadership that always guides the school to newer heights, and our visionary principal, Dr. Ravikant sir, whose tireless efforts, guidance and intellectual leadership made this historic feat possible. A proud moment of precision, performance and prestige for DPS Sagar.
Healthy afternoon to all. I am Dr. Babu Balakrishnan, a multiple world record achiever from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I am the founder chairman of Universal Achievers Book of Record and Future Kalam's Book of Record. Today, 16th November 2024, I am really happy and excited to be part of this DBS सागर का 2 वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड किया है. एक रिकॉर्ड है बच्चों का, दूसरा रिकॉर्ड है टीचर्स का. So around 180 students of DBS Sagars have done a world record in Vedic mathematics. Their record is that around 180 students have solved 100 questions of 2 into 2 multiplication and 3 into 3 multiplication in 8 minutes 13 seconds. So then in teachers world record, around 25 teachers participated in this world record. They solved 2 into 2 multiplication and 3 into 3 multiplication in a fastest time of 22 teachers have participated in a fastest time of 7 minutes and 18 seconds. So on behalf of Universal Achievers Book of Record and Future Kalam's Book of Record, we officially declare that this is an official world record attempt and they have successfully accomplished this world record achievement on today. So in this year's 2024, the official Universal Achievers Book of Record and Future Kalam's Book of Record, Delhi Public School Sagar का जो world record है, it will be officially established in this year's 2024 book. So we congratulate each and every students who has participated in this world record achievement, all the teachers who have participated and the organizer and Delhi Public School for successfully accomplishing this world record achievement. So since this is a mass world record, each and every participant is a world record achiever.
मैं राहुल सराफ, डायरेक्टर डीपीएस सागर, मैं ये घोषणा करना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे स्कूल ने 2 वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स क्रिएट करे हैं। पहला 184 स्टूडेंट्स इन 8 मिनट 8 सेकेंड्स एंड द फास्टेस्ट उसमें जो बच्चा है हमारा शुभांशी वर्मा 3 मिनट्स 22 सेकेंड्स में उसने कंप्लीट किया है 100 क्वेश्चंस। एंड साथ में सेकंड रिकॉर्ड है 22 टीचर्स इन 7 मिनट्स 18 सेकेंड्स, उसमें फास्टेस्ट टीचर रहे हमारे शुभम जैन सर 2 मिनट्स 38 सेकेंड्स में।
So officially today, in the presence of DEO Arvind Kumar Jain and founder chairman of Universal Book of Records and Future Kalam Book of Records, Dr. Babu Balakrishnan sir, who is along with us, and alongside with me is director Rahul Saraf sir. So we are proud to announce that Delhi Public School Sagar has officially done 2 world records in Vedic mathematics, and this world record has not done in Madhya Pradesh. And as a principal I feel very proud, and now I'll tell you the record what Delhi Public School has done.
DPS Sagar celebrates Children's Day with a spectacular Bal Mela. On the joyous occasion of Children's Day, DPS Sagar came alive with colors, creativity and celebration as the campus hosted a vibrant Bal Mela. Students showcased their talents through an exciting array of stalls, offering a delectable mix of spicy, savory and lip-smacking treats. The event was graciously inaugurated by Shri Kapil Malaya, who lauded the students for their energy and relentless efforts.
नमस्ते मलैया जी सर, आपको हमारे डीपीएस स्कूल के बाल मेला में आकर कैसा लगा?
देखो, इस मेले में आकर बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। इतने सुंदर सुंदर स्टॉल है, इतने सारे वैरायटी का फूड है जो कभी एक जगह पे मिलता नहीं है खाने। किसी भी मॉल के फूड कोर्ट से ज़्यादा अच्छा यहाँ पर है।
Parents joined in to cheer the young participants, adding to the festive spirit. This grand event was made possible under the visionary leadership and unwavering support of our dynamic management, Shri Ritul Saraf sir and Garima ma'am, Shri Rahul Saraf sir and Darshini ma'am, and Shri Archit Jain sir and Mehak ma'am, whose dedication continues to stir DPS Sagar to greater heights. Our energetic and visionary principal Dr. Ravikant sir with a dedicated teachers team worked together to make it a grand success. It was a day full of fun, learning, grand and unforgettable memories, marking it another resounding success for Team DPS Sagar.
बाल मेले से मेरे बच्चों ने बहुत ज़्यादा सीखा कि खुद की हम क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या बना सकते हैं। बिजनेस वाले मतलब हमारे घर में भी बिजनेस ही होता है, तो उसको देख के उन लोगों को लगता है कि वो बिजनेस कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा लगा बाल मेला, हर साल ऐसे बाल मेला लगने चाहिए। बच्चों का एंजॉय हो जाता है, बच्चे खेलते हैं, बच्चों का आनंद आता है, बच्चे अपने दोस्तों से मिल लेते हैं और सभी पेरेंट्स को देख खुशी हो रही है, बच्चे भी खुश हो रहे हैं। इस तरह का मेला हर साल लगना चाहिए।
हेलो, माय नेम इज़ रीत सेडानी एंड यहाँ पर बाल मेला चल रहा है डीपीएस सागर में और हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया है। लास्ट ईयर भी हमने स्टॉल लगाया था जिसमें हमारे बच्चों को 800 का प्रॉफिट हुआ था। इस टाइम हमारे बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थे इस चीज़ के लिए और इस बार इन्होंने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें इंक्लूड की हैं जैसे कि ये ग्लास और ये डार्ट बोर्ड, और बच्चों ने बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया है और उन लोगों को बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला है और हम लोग भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी हैं यहाँ पर डीपीएस सागर में आकर, क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीख रहे हैं। एक तो बिज़नेस का उनको काफ़ी ज़्यादा मतलब उनको इतना एक्साइटमेंट है कि उनकी कितनी मतलब उन लोगों ने सेल की, कितना उनको प्रॉफिट हुआ, ये सारी चीज़ें वो बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
DPS has organized this fun Bal Mela and as per the last year it is having more fun. Children are learning, earning and surely they will develop a entrepreneurship quality in them. Thank you DPS for giving us these kind of opportunities to bring up our children with the new talents. Thank you so much.
मेरे दोनों बच्चे अनंत अग्रवाल और आध्या अग्रवाल DPS स्कूल में अभी पढ़ रहे हैं। DPS स्कूल के माध्यम से ये बड़ा ही अच्छा आयोजन आज मेला रखा गया है, बाल मेला। काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं बच्चे, 3-4 दिन से 5 दिन से काफ़ी तैयारियों में लगे थे। इनका एक्साइटमेंट देख के हम लोगों को भी लगा कि हेल्प करनी चाहिए। काफ़ी अच्छा आयोजन है, ये बाल मेले का बहुत ही अच्छा एक स्वरूप है जिससे बच्चे आगे बढ़ते हैं, कुछ सीखते हैं। मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि मैंने DPS स्कूल चॉइस किया है और सबसे बड़ी बात मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि मैं पूरी तरह सेटिस्फाइड हूँ DPS स्कूल से।
First DPSS Open Unity Cricket Tournament. DPS Sagar proudly hosted the Open Unity Cricket Tournament, which commenced on 19 January and culminated in an exciting finale on 27 January. A total of 12 teams from various prestigious clubs participated in the tournament. It was inaugurated by our esteemed principal Dr. V. Ravikant. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the honorable management whose unwavering support was instrumental in making this event a resounding success. It was the tireless efforts of our respected principal Dr. Ravikant sir that made this tournament a memorable experience for all. We also acknowledge the dedicated contributions of our cricket coach Mr. Raja Thakur sir for their smooth execution of each match. After a series of electrifying matches, KP Construction emerged as the champion with Masters Cricket Academy securing the position of runner-up. DPS Sagar explores the majestic hills of Himachal Pradesh. In a memorable expate towards the end of November, around 130 students and 12 teachers from DPS Sagar embarked on a thrilling school excursion to the enchanting hill of town of Manali. The journey was nothing short of magical as the group reveled in the pristine beauty of snow-clad mountains and winding scenic routes that painted a picture straight out of a postcard. The excitement soared as they travelled from stunning Rohtang Pass, a highlight of the trip, where students were awestruck by the winter wonderland that surrounded them. The journey continued through the serene towns of Kasol, MacLeod-Ganj and Dharamshala, each offering its unique charm and cultural experience. From enjoying snowball fights to bonding over bonfires and scenic bus rides, every moment carved lasting memories. This excursion was not just a travel experience, it was a celebration of learning, exploration and camaraderie under the DPS Sagar banner. This is all for the time being, and we will meet again very soon with more exciting updates and proud moments from DPS Sagar. Till then, take care. Thank you.